Put your mask. So, come with me. Alright, so first off, we have the key, which is this on my wrist here. This is the door. Yes, honey. And then this key thing here is the key to open it. So I put my wrist. Wait, and open. I can't see. Is that green light just come up? Wait a second. Did it? That says go, baby. So I clip and I go in. So when I enter, these are some switches here to turn off and on the light. So these switches turn off and on the light. So when I first come in, this is my view. So you know I'm in awe. So to my right here, we have, you know, the poo-poo house. It has a nice slide door, just like that. And then we welcome here. We have a little counter with a nice mirror. Yes, drawers and everything. Might as well say mirror, them so nice in here. Anyways, all right. After that, to my left here again, we have a closet, and in this closet we have an iron board, umbrella, some hanger stuffies, some towels up there, so extra pillows, hangers. These two sides. So here, so we have our iron board and extra pillows up top. So, and down here we have a safe. Yep, well, I have nothing to put in no safe, honey. Yep. And when I turn around to my right, so here is the jacuzzi. It's filled with water because your girl used it this morning. I had to take advantage of it. Then almost. All right, so that is what happened right here. So really nice. Had my bath this morning. So when we pull up here, here is the sink. Right, you have double sinks, and then they provided us with a scale which is not working. In this black bag here is a blow dryer. I used it yesterday for my hair and stuff, and they provided me with like shampoo, shower cap, so extra tissue like, and soap. And this is a mirror. See that? This is a zoom mirror. You can see everything. All of the pores them in your face, you can see them. It's really nice. And then you have this huge ass mirror right here. Oh yes. So this mirror right here. Yep, I love it. So we go into the shower. The place probably look messy. That is only because we have been living in it for a little while. Hold on. So I turn on the light for the shower. Now this get me really excited. Like, you just open the door to the shower, you walk in. Yep, and you're kind of wet, so I'm not really stepping near it right now. So we're kind of wet. But then you shampoo, conditioner over here. So we have the body wash. The body wash them smells so good. When I use the shampoo and conditioner, because I never need them, whenever you see water in my hair now. So this is the shower, the detachable shower. You can take it off. Oh gosh, the water so nice. And clap this. Bam! Overhead shower. Me use it yesterday a lot. Me use it yesterday to wash my hair. I wash myself, everything. It is so nice. Double overhead showers, and then give one mat over there. So if you tell too cold or whatever, you can, whatever, you can stand up on it and stuff. So I tell us the place is real nice, and the service here is excellent. So as we move up further into the den, we have here some, what you call this, blinds. Yes, so you come in, you draw your blinds at night and stuff. So you walk in, and over here we have a full length mirror to show off your girl. Yes. And I'm in the slippers, bed slippers that they gave me. Yes. So that, and we have this TV here. I was watching the Mari show. I don't know what inch TV it is, but it's a LG, but it's very nice. It's real nice. And here, forgive the mess, that is breakfast, just the same. So it's still upon breakfast mode. So these drawers are empty drawers, all of them empty in here. So now we have coffee maker something. See how I know this. Yeah, looking at this yesterday. This is an ice bucket. Yep, or ice bucket. This have to make some tea. If you want tea, make tea. That over here. So we have, oops, over here. So we have the refrigerator. What's in the refrigerator right now is just a Sprite and a Carib beer. I took one of the Sprite last night, still up on my bedside, and that's it. We're not getting nothing too special in here, so we're not getting no vodka, no NSC, no nothing. We're not that posh yet. So yep, that clothes right there, all of that. And then we move further down. This is a little desk, almost office looking desk and thing. Have your own like a mirror up here. So again, the place full of mirror. Yep, show off all the angles. I love this chair. The chair just real comfortable, real nice, and all of that. Yep, and you have the drawers and stuff over here. So we have one nice table. This is a nice design though. We could denting and no white fast still. You can't figure it out, but it kinda aesthetically pleasing. And one nice big couch right here. Yep, this couch is so comfortable. It is real good. So these were the pillows I think that were on the bed last night. Yep, they were on the bed last night. So when I came in last night from dinner, they were all packed up on the bed. The bed is just ready for bed. Yeah, so on to the next. We have the beds. The beds are so comfortable and nice. Thick comforters, a nice whatever that is. Have a little bed end or whatever you call it. It's double occupancy. So my roommate and I. This thing on the wall is I don't know what it is, but it's nice, pleasing, pleasing to the eyes, right? So this is a light, and I never knew that until last night when we can't see it open. So that is a light on the walls for you to shine the light here. And this is the bedside table. And so my drinks here I'm telling about. The phone when I call room service with last night and this morning. Yes. So this is a what? This is a body lotion I used that this morning. I'm not sure the clock didn't right, you know. I don't know why it's for, but it just don't right. Alright? So yeah. That is that. What else is there to show? Nothing much else is there to show, but guys, I'm telling you, this room is real nice. This room is definitely fans, overhead lights, AC vent. So the AC switch the up there so too. yeah, real nice, look good. Clean and fresh. um yeah, so that's basically it for the room tour, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that if any of you overseas who want to come to Jamaica and spend a little time, I don't want to spend a good time down here in Negril area, Royalton is a good place. As I said before, once you don't have enough money, you can come here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at the cost, much of the cost for the rooms. You understand me? I'm just here enjoying what was bestowed to me. Understand? Yeah. But I can check it out on their websites, call them, make your arrangements and stuff. Love nice if them, I carry them home. They're nice. They're going to throw it away anyway. So that's for me. And yes, guys, this is basically it for the room. Oh crap! Why am I say basically it? Hold on, I forgot to show you guys my balcony. This is what is happening right now. So this is a slide door, and outside on the patio we have, a woven. These are woven, so we can see the beach from my view. Hello. Them have all kind of things that go on from the beach over there. So yeah, I put my bodysuit pretty dry from yesterday and I cover up for me wear yesterday. And yeah, that's basically it. Outside real pretty today. So one downstairs. If I was on the lower floor, then I would have gotten a pool where I could swim to my room and enjoy, that little pool area there. But unfortunately, I'm on top floor, so I'm gonna get that. People over there is that exercise, which not go this morning. But anyways, whatever. Yeah, lifeguard, towel place. Yeah, right. So yeah, that's the view from here. So. So that basically completes the room tour, everything. So we finally finished though. So I hope you guys like the video, give a thumbs up, comment down below what if I'm interested in the room or whatever, and yeah, just say something nice. You understand? Say something good. And I will see you guys. Oh, subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, you need to subscribe. Alright, it's mandatory that you subscribe and you can't slide here. But anyways, if you guys like the content, just give a thumbs up, show the love. Yeah. And then we try to build a community over here. So you guys enjoy your day and you too enjoy the rest of my day. Go and check out the vlog that I'm doing for me being here as well. Give a thumbs up, show the love, subscribe, like. And I will see you guys in my vlog as usual. Alright guys, take care. Bye.